In today's video, I wanted to take a look inside of Mom's laptop to see what was wrong with it. I'm starting by removing the screws that hold the back cover on. Then, we removed the back cover, and I needed Dad's help because it was really difficult to remove this cover. If you notice carefully, you'll see that we forgot a screw. This was a really silly mistake, but I removed the screw and the back cover was able to lift right off. Now inside there wasn't that much dust, but I wiped off the dust that was on top of the fan. And also there wasn't that much dust inside the fan's blades. And it looked really difficult to remove the fan, so we didn't remove it. And then we removed some of the dust that was between the fan and the heatsink. I'm somewhat surprised at how clean the inside of this laptop was, because this thing has been running for around 3 years. And the back cover was slightly dirty, so we just wiped it off. After cleaning off the back cover, I put it back on the laptop. And then I just needed to screw those screws back in and turn on the laptop to see if it worked. And if you're wondering why I turned the screwdriver a bit counterclockwise before screwing the screw in, it's so that I find the original thread, so I do not cross-thread the screw into the nut in the laptop. After putting all the screws back in, I can power on the laptop, and it still works. And make sure to subscribe for new videos.